Welcome to the balcony from the bedroom. Welcome to the same balcony from the living room. And the same balcony from the kitchen. And yep, that's exactly the same balcony from the bathroom. Hi everyone, welcome to our very first episode. You guessed it, we're talking about the balcony today. And with good reason. Our balcony connects all of the spaces in our little apartment, helps it to feel much bigger. So today we'll be going over all the plants that grow for us here, and we'll be doing an Ikea hack for one of the spaces on the balcony, and then we're gonna break it all down because to water all of these plants in August, you need a system. Nobody's here in August. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Welcome to our balcony garden / plant experiment lab / urban garden. First we have our variegated ivy. It is so happy. It's a very thirsty plant, but very easy to propagate. Love it. We also have here geranium. That's a new experiment for us since everyone else has them. And we have here our sad lavender. We've tried everything, but it's still sad. Any suggestions? Please leave in the comments if you know anything about lavender growing on a high windy balcony. We have here our new lemon tree. It's very happy out here by the railing for optimal sunshine. On the left we have our jasmine. It's also very happy. It's about a year old. And hydrangea. Our hydrangea loves it here, but it loves it everywhere in Milan. It's against the wall here for the most shade, and we are north facing. Next to the hydrangea we have oregano, medium experiment. It's okay. And speaking of geraniums, have you ever wondered why they're all over Milan? Well, we have an abundance of mosquitoes here and a serious lack of window screens, though I have no idea why. There are in Milan also many varieties of happy hydrangeas. They're all over. There are lace cap, oak leaf, all of them. When you're here, look for them everywhere. They're so healthy. Here we have our poor rose, our poor red rose. It was chomped. It had such beautiful red flowers this spring, and then it was eaten. We tried everything. If anyone has any suggestions for that, please leave them in the comments. Not sure if it's gonna make it. It looks really bad. At the bath and kitchen end of the balcony here, we have our little Christmas tree and succulents on the left, and our basil rosemary on the right, and mint and aloe, our newest plants, straight ahead at the end. At the far opposite end of the balcony, unfortunately right in front of the living room, is the dead zone for plants because of the hot air conditioner air. Haven't found anything yet that will live there. We'll see, still working on that. Speaking of the little Christmas tree, it is sitting on an Ikea table that came with the apartment. The table is too big for the space and difficult to walk past, which is a hazard on a narrow, high balcony. So this is the area we are updating first today. And here is our little Grundtal cart that we're going to be hacking today. Previously in our kitchen, now to live its next best life out on the balcony. Here we are. We are going to the most useful place near me, Rico Center. To hack the Ikea cart, we need the little cups that you put on the bottom of furniture legs, and this will prevent the apparently unremovable wheels from skating across the balcony in high winds and falling on someone's head. Kind of necessary. Yep, that's it, via Giorgio, Washington. I know. This is Milan. They should know. There's only one Giorgio, and his name is Armani. Also, Washington's first name was George, so there's that. But now you won't forget it, will you? There are many other Brico Center locations in Milan, but this is the closest one. Hello, Brico. That's where we're going.
Right.
There, we just drilled holes in the 4 little cups for the bottom. Security one there, and a hopefully drainage hole here. I drilled 1 hole in each and 2 holes in this one to see if that gives us more drainage. Not sure how it's gonna go. So this will help so we don't have mosquitoes nesting in there. No one wants that. Now to break it all down for watering in the month of August. Our friend Sam here is going to be doing that for us. He is pretty self-explanatory. You have to have him above the level of all the plant babies so gravity can do its job, and P.S. secured really well. I bungeed mine to the railing. And you cut all the tubes to the length you need so he can water all the plant babies gathered around him. Maximum of 16 of them. And I always test him a few days before we leave on vacation to make sure the water is flowing the way it's supposed to. And pro tip also, bungee the lid down because the wind will blow it off and then you'll just have a big mosquito factory. Yay! Thank you so much for joining us today on the balcony. Please hit like and subscribe and leave suggestions as to what kind of videos you'd like to see next.